Hello you guys and welcome to the course. So in this very first lesson guys, I'm just going to show you guys how to download Android Studios, and this is more so just for the Java guys. So if you guys already have Android Studios, I recommend you guys kind of skip this. However, in the next video after this, I will show you guys how to download the emulator, or a really cool emulator. So if you guys don't have an emulator yet, or maybe just want to know how to use one, then I will definitely skip to the next video. So we're just going to do this really quick. Go ahead and open up your Google Chrome. So first thing we need to do is get the Java or the Java SDK. So if you guys might not have this, just in case it's a new computer or something. So let's just say type in Java SDK. Click. It should be the very first one. So here the Oracle one. Click on that. Go ahead and just download Java here. So click on this. Okay. So first you have to accept. Then after that you click on the machine you're on. Unfortunately, guys, I don't own a Mac nor know anybody who owns one, so I'm kind of just on Windows for this whole course. However, I'm pretty sure it's exactly the same as it is on Mac. So I'm going to click on Windows X64 because that's my machine. Click on that. So I'm going to download that. So go ahead and download it and install that. I already have it installed in my computer, so I'm not going to do that, but you guys can go ahead and do it yourselves. So after you guys install that, now you guys can get Android Studio. So type in Android Studios on Google. So click here, develop is the very first one, of course. So download Android Studios for Windows or for Mac. It should tell you which one. It already knows what device you're on. So guys, if you guys can tell, I actually already do have Android Studios installed, and I didn't really want to. I didn't really want to uninstall and reinstall it, just because it does take quite a while. So unfortunately, I can't really be legit with that with you guys. However, it's really easy. Just after you install it, just go ahead and follow the setup steps, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it up now, because there is something else you guys do need to do once it's installed. Yeah, I'm sorry guys about that. I was a little bit lazy. I just uninstalling it and installing it again just seemed kind of tedious for me. But like I said, it's really easy. You just have to follow the instructions. So this is Android Studios. As you can see, I already do have the main project open that we're going to be building. So I'm going to close. So as soon as you guys install it, you guys can just, somewhere it should ask you to build a new project. So I'm just going to do that right now, new project. And then you just build a new project. So I'm going to build one right now. But this is not going to be the main project. We're going to build a new project later. But just to show you. So yeah, sure, I'm going to call it my application, whatever. Next. That's fine. Make sure SDK 16 just for future. Again, we're going to build a brand new one later in the video, or very soon actually. So empty activities, fine, next. Finish, okay, sure. And let it do its thing, guys. Okay, you guys, so I'm all set. You guys know when you guys are set when it says build Gradle finished here in the little bottom here. So if you guys did this correctly, you guys should just have this little screen here. And at first, your editor should be white. Now I don't know about you guys, but having white editor as my code just really hurts my eyes. So you guys can actually go into File, go into Settings here, click on here where it should say Editor, or actually just open this up. Click on General here, or actually let's do here in Color and Fonts. So your scheme, you can click Dracula and it'll make it nice and dark. However, I find that the text is just a little bit too small for my liking when it's just in Dracula. So I actually just went ahead and clicked Save As. I called it Custom. And then after you do that, you can actually edit stuff. Like you can go into the fonts here. So I can go into Color Styles, or actually where is my fonts? So right around Color and Font, that's probably where it is. So Fonts. And you can actually edit this. See, so I have my size 30. You guys can have it whatever you'd like. But again, just one more time, if you guys go into your, so general here, so I just edit, so I'm going to click on this. So editor, so it should be an editor. Go into your code style, I mean. No, it's not there. It's color and fonts. Yeah, this is kind of, it's a lot of stuff here, but it should just be editor, no. Was it? So yeah, I just had it and I lost it. How embarrassing. But no, yeah, so I actually had it in general, And then here you can choose your style. Again, default is the white one that hurts my eyes. Dracula is the dark one. However, the text is a little bit small. So you can click on save as. I just called it custom, put save, and then you can change your font and stuff. So then in font, once you're in font, you can change it to whatever you guys want. Okay, so other than that, you guys also do need to do one more thing. Or if you guys like the white Android editor or text editor, I commend you. But if not, you can change it. But you do need to do one more thing. So go ahead and click here on this little guy here. Click on this. We're going to need to download some packages. So click on Launch Standalone SDK Manager. Okay, so once this is launched, go ahead and close Android Studios really quickly, because we're going to download some packages and we don't want Android Studios to be running when we download them. So you guys want to download a few things. For the emulator we're going to use, you guys want to download 5.01, 5.11, and just in case you guys want to use your old devices, just download 6.0. These are all the API libraries, guys. I wouldn't recommend downloading 7.0 just yet, just because I believe like nobody has it. I myself have an HTC 10 and I still don't have the update, so I'm not going to use it just yet. But of course, if you guys get a device that does run Nougat, then go ahead and download that as well. And then after that, come down here and download. You should get your Google repository, your Google Play API, this one, and then finally your Google driver. And then just go ahead and click install packages. And guys, so this is going to take a while, so go ahead and just go ahead and chill out, sit back and let it do its thing. But once it's done, then you guys are all set to start developing with me. Okay, so that was just our little crash course on how to get Android Studios and maybe fix any problems you guys may have. Of course, if you guys are still have a little bit of problems, feel free to email me. I believe my contact information is actually in the next section, the very first video of that one. But other than that, guys, I mean, I don't see why you guys should have any problems. But again, if you guys do, please email me and I will be very happy to help you guys out. So that's all I have for this lesson, guys. Just a nice quick introduction on how to get Android Studios. Again, if you guys are Android guys, you probably didn't need to see this, but hey, you know, it's all good. Maybe you didn't know about the Dracula theme. I know I didn't really know about it till I was kind of just a little more experienced. I'm not ashamed to admit it. Okay. All right, guys. So go ahead and do that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video.